All right, so this is Parker Corp, and I'm not going to write out the whole statement of cash flows on this because it's in the notes, written out much better than I'd write it out here. What I am going to do is to just highlight the one different thing on this statement of cash flows that we have not run into in the other three that we have done. So for the Parker Corp, we've got the statement of cash flows, and is our operating activities. We do the net income, we do the adjustments, we do all the totals and all of that stuff. And eventually we come down to the bottom where we get to the net change in cash. We add the cash at the beginning of the period. We get to hopefully the right amount for the cash at the end of the period. In the Parker Corp, in the notes, if you remember, they had the non-cash investing and financing activities. And when you're looking at the worksheet, this is not going to show up in the statement of cash flow effects section because there's no effect on cash. So what you have to do is to go to the top section, and hopefully you've put an asterisk or highlighted that there was a non-cash investing and financing transaction. And if you look at the worksheet, you can see that we had a debit to the bonds payable of $30,000 and a credit to common stock of $30,000. So that's where we get the information for this little note here that goes at the bottom of your statement of cash flows after you've done everything else that involves cash. Now we talk about non-cash investing and financing activities, and we simply tell what happened. We issued 30,000 shares of $1 par common stock to convert, it's really windy out, to convert bonds payable at the face value of $30,000. Well, I think I better quit before I get blown away here, so that's it for the Parker Corp.